Hello, it's Dave Dunn here at Fastflow, and in this video I'm going to be showing you how to set up the download lists, so that basically you've got these dynamic lists of downloads with images and icons, and they link to each of the downloads that you have available in your products. So basically these are added using a shortcode again, and if we just quickly edit this page, you can see here I've basically just got 4 sections, and then there's four shortcodes, and each of these shortcodes has a product ID, and then there's a section for fast tags. So that these shortcodes are all using the same product ID, so they're all part of product number 9, but then we've divided the sections up using the tags, so that basically we don't have one single long list of downloads for this particular product. We're able to divide it up into sections. In this particular case it's albums, but it depends how you have your downloads structured. But basically we're dividing this list of downloads up into sections, and basically using the tags to divide them up, so that basically this album is Spiritu, this album is Medicine Songs, this album is Journey, and then this section's for a bonus, so that we know that all these albums are part of one product, but they've been grouped together. If we actually go inside the admin and look at the protected content, so we can look on the protected remote files section, and we're going to see here that each of these files has some metadata attached to it, so that when we upload the files or add the file URLs here, and they're being added to the site here, then we can start attaching metadata to them, and we can obviously move them between these protection boxes, but that metadata is going to stay on each file, so it doesn't matter which product you add them to, these files will have this metadata attached to each of them, so that basically we can go into this particular file and we can see that we can edit the image, and we can edit the file name, so maybe we want to display it without the extension on. And then here we just can copy these original URL, the protected URL, but over here we can actually add an icon for the file, and this is the area where we actually add the tags to separate them, so that basically these are the fast tags that we add on within the Fastflow dashboard. We're just reusing those tags, but we're using them here for grouping purposes. So the only use for these tags here is for grouping, but we do have access to all the tags that are on the site, so that basically if you've created a tag for a particular product, say for example this is the Ricardo Cherokee product, and users will get tagged with that tag, but in this instance that tag will only be used here for grouping the products. So basically the tag will be used to group the products, and it won't really matter whether the user has the tag or not. In this case it's just there purely for grouping products together, so that we can basically organize files that are part of a particular product, and instead of having a big long list of files, we've got a manageable set of grouped files, and it makes it easier for your members to download them.